Hey guys, it's the Villaman here and welcome to the channel. Now I just got in the 2008 Klipsch Reference Premiere series of speakers. I have 2 towers, 2 bookshelves and a set of speakers. So what I decided to do was today I would give you guys a demo of the towers. So just by listening so far, I can tell you that these speakers are something else. It has a 1-inch titanium tweeter and 2 massive 8-inch woofers. Now these speakers are rated to go down to 32 Hertz, which is very low. Thanks to those massive woofers. So I have it hooked up to my Denon X4300H receiver and Outlaw Model 5000 amp. And the receiver is in pure direct mode. So what that means is that the audio signal bypasses Odyssey, so there's no processing, and it sends a clean signal straight to the speakers. And of course the sub is turned off because we want to see how the speakers perform by themselves. So accordingly, I went into the settings of the Denon and I changed the speaker size to large. So what that means is that now the speakers get the full range signal because it's now categorized as a full range speaker. So it gets all the highs and all the lows. So without the aid of a subwoofer, we'll see how it sounds and how much of that low end it's able to produce. Now I'm not sure how long I want this video to be, so I probably won't play the entire tracks. And I'm pretty sure I'll get a copyright strike for this, but you know, what can you do? The people want what the people want. Oh, and I'm not sure if you heard, but you have to be subscribed to watch this video. It's a new rule I made up like just now, but you can't go breaking the rules now, can you? So yeah, hit that subscribe button and let's go.
was going on. Things was too hot down there. Couldn't stay very long. Yeah.
I've made up my mind, don't need to think it over. If I'm wrong, I am right. Don't need to look no further, this ain't last. I know this is life, but if I tell the world, I'll never say enough, 'cause it was not said to you, and that's exactly what I need to do if I end up with you. Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Or would it be a waste, even if I knew my fate? Should I leave it there? Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Turn down the lights, turn down the bed, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me close, don't patronize, don't patronize me. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't.
Speakers are really surprising. So far it has a lot of low end kick. You can actually feel the bass, it's tactile in the room. At one point I had to check the sub to make sure it wasn't on because the bass was so good. So far I've been listening to a lot of music and I haven't gotten any ear fatigue, so that's good. I'm also about to dive into some 4K Blu-ray so I can see how they sound with a movie soundtrack. I also have the bookshelf versions, the RP-8000Ms as my surround, so I'll be doing a demo of those too later on in the week, so stay tuned for that. So don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comments below on what you think of the demo. I know a lot of people are actually interested in these speakers, so I hope this helped at least a little bit. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. That's important. And don't forget to like the video if you like the video. So until next time, this has been your friendly neighborhood Villaman saying peace.